Hello everyone, welcome back for another practice. Let's get started. Take your mat and let's move forward. Inhale first deeply as always. Exhale. Nice sunny weather, so we are hitting full body. Here we go. First, we're gonna start with some quick cardio. We're gonna open up legs and arms. 20, 30, as many as you can. I will do 30. Nice and smooth. If you are too heavy, then I would recommend you just to elevate your legs step by step. Protect your knees. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Left knee towards the chest. Push. Switch. Right knee towards the chest. Push. Switch. Okay. Then we're gonna bend your left leg behind. Grab your toe. Stretch your quad. Switch. Inhale. Don't forget, breathe always. Exhale. Okay. Starting with standing core, arms behind your head. We're gonna drive your knee towards your elbow. Here we go. Left, right, 20. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, go ahead. 1, push. 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Then we're gonna kick, touch with your arm. So kick, touch, nice and smooth. 20 as well. And 2, 3, high. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more deep breath. Exhale. Okay. Straight after that, we continue. Arms on the ground. We're gonna go into down dog. Okay, breathe for a down dog. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, straight upper facing dog. Push your shoulder blades backward, knees on the ground. Feel that stretch. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to down dog. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, nice and smooth. We're gonna go to plank position. Push down, push up, and down dog. Here we go. 12. And plank, push up, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, down dog, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, slowly step forward with your straight legs. Keep your arms on the ground if you can. If you cannot, you can slightly bend your knees. But better to keep your legs straight. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight up. Continuing some stability, lower body. Elevate your left foot straight off the ground. From here, keep holding your right leg straight. We're gonna open and close the left. Open and close. 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 90 degrees, local core, lower back, open up. 1, 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. Take a deep breath. Exhale. We continue the action from here. Draw your head backward. We're gonna walk forward, then right knee towards the left elbow, left knee towards the right elbow, and step up. Here we go. 12. 1 and 2. Try to move a little bit faster. 3. Nice, just move. 4. Go ahead. 5. 6. 7. Keep your lower back straight. 8. Nice. Go ahead. 9. 10. 2 more. 11. Last one. 12. And up. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay. We continue side planks. Right elbow on the ground. From here, right leg in front, left leg back. Straight arm open. We're gonna hold 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight after that, we're gonna elevate your left leg, driving your left elbow towards the left knee. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, awesome. 8, 9, 10. Switch, take a deep breath. Left leg in front, right leg backward. First, hold 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right elbow, right knee, and 2, nice. 3, 4, go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and switch. Okay, left arm in front straight. Push your upper body, core, everything up. Feel tight. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very useful for your lower back. Switch. Especially for those who have lower back pain. Push forward your butt, squeeze your glutes, arms straight in front, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, go ahead. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch again. Continue pushing. Then we'll elevate the left foot off the ground, arm up, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, go ahead. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close, switch, inhale deeply. Open up, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more deep breath. Exhale. Okay. Adding lower body, lower back. You keep your legs parallel to the ground. Rotate your palms outside, right? Drive your shoulders backwards. Push your traps down. From here, we're gonna push from your lower body. Keep your arms straight. Bridge up as high as possible. 12. Here we go. 2, nice. 3, higher. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Take a deep breath. Exhale, straight legs, 90 degrees, elevate your upper body, straight arms, one by one, scissors, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 8, 9, 10, go ahead, flat back, 1, 2, 3, nice, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Take a deep breath. Right leg 90 degrees bended, left leg pushed up, squeeze your glutes, engage, feel a lower back, hold 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, go ahead, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down, switch, up, and hold, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Slowly up, take a deep breath. Knees towards the chest, push your chest forward. Twist yourself towards the left. Another side. Nice. Stand up, open your legs wider. From here, fall forward. Feel your stretch in your hamstrings. 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can elevate your arms off the ground. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left arm drives toward the right side. Take a deep breath. Open up. Twist your spine. Right arm go fully straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we switch. Twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're back. Legs together, fall forward, nice and smooth. Now you can bend your knees, try to keep your back fully straight. Hold, straight arms, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we're gonna rotate your arms outside, we're gonna squeeze our back. Keep your lower back straight. 2, 3, nice. 4, go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your arms on the ground. We're going to down dog. Feel that stretch in your spine. Feel that length. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Okay, my friends, well done. Keep moving. Don't forget, your body's your clock. Stay strong. Peace out.